Good morning, my fellow competitors. My question is, do you agree with the DOJ's decision not to allow former President Gloria Arroyo to go out of the country to seek her medical help? Why or why not? Change is always steady. Amidst every single change, we learn. And in every learning, we lead. Problems, issues, and even ordinary things that contribute to our existence are essential. It's either we embrace it or we take it for granted. One of the many things that we're facing today is about the DOJ's decision with regards to former Gloria Macapagal Arroyo, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo's treatment. Being a young citizen of the Philippines, I am not in favor of the DOJ with regards to that matter. Why? First and foremost, President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo is not a